Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best underwater drones in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. 5. PowerVision Power Ray. Are you a beach fan? Do you like to go sailing and record your trip? Well, this drone is perfect for you in that case. The item is a 4K underwater drone that comes with a remote control so you can manipulate it from sea level or from your yacht. For example, with this drone, you can search for something undersea. You can use it on any surface you want: rivers, oceans, lakes, and even in the open sea. Just to name some features, this ROV has a 4K camera, it can take 12 megapixels photos, and it has scalable storage of up to 64 gigabyte. While underwater, the drone can reach a speed of 5.5 kilometers an hour and its battery life is 4 hours. Additionally, the drone has a depth capacity of 100 feet when submerged. But you might be wondering, in which occasions can I use this item? In fact, it has so many different uses. You can record videos or take photos of corals who are underwater, so you don't have to dive in with your GoPro and do it yourself, just to put an example. The PowerVision comes in 2 different models, each one with different prices. The PowerVision Explorer costs $899, while the PowerVision Wizard costs $999 on Amazon. The difference between them is the accessories included in each one. The features remain the same. 4. Nemo Underwater Drone. I personally think most of us have seen the Nemo film, and as a marketing matter, the company Aqua Robot Man decided to put that name to this drone. The curious fact about this product is that the funds for the investigation and production of the drone were obtained from a funding Kickstarter campaign on the web. Some interesting features of this item are its 4K 1080p camera that can stream at 30 FPS underwater. Besides, it can also take 16 megapixels images. The person who pilots the drone can do it via their smartphone through an app that you can download from Google Play or the App Store. In addition, you can use VR goggles to have the same view the drone is having when immersed. The Nemo drone can reach a depth of up to 100 meters and a speed of 2 meters per second. As traditional drones, this item has a smart battery. This means that when you are running out of battery, you will receive an alert so you can bring the drone back to your hands. Underwater drones are quite new and innovative product. That's why there isn't enough competition in this market. But this product particularly is considered one of the best ones, despite its price. The big advantage of this drone is its stability to take pictures or videos, unlike some other models who have big issues maintaining stability while underwater. This drone is quite expensive, but it also is worth it. Its current price on Amazon is $1,799 and it comes in its unique yellow version. 3. Chasing Dory. I swear I didn't make this list thinking in Nemo, but it seems that all ROV producers are Nemo lovers. Well, the true fact is that the Chasing Dory is an incredible alternative. Its principal advantage is its size and portability, an incredibly tiny drone that you can carry with you everywhere you go. On one hand, the Chasing Dory can dive into the water up to 49 feet. It weighs 2.4 pounds, it has a battery life of 1 hour, and its maximum speed underwater is 1.73 miles per hour. The drone has a Wi-Fi streaming view, so you can see in real time what is happening underwater while you're at the sea level. When the drone is underwater, it can record on a 1920 by 1080 pixel ratio at 30 frames per second. As you can imagine, it doesn't have the incredible features that some other drones on this list has, such as the Nemo underwater drone. On the other hand, the drone has a big disadvantage: its battery. There is literally no possibility for the battery to last forever, so it's highly recommendable to have more than one because they don't have a lasting battery. Also, the tilt angle isn't so wide, and as a consequence, you can't have a wide range of the waters you are navigating in. Therefore, it is cheap and highly portable. Its current price on Amazon is $499. It remains the best option for beginners or for those experts who want to buy their first underwater drone and test them. 2. PowerVision Power Dolphin. This device is one of the most sophisticated underwater drones in the market. Despite its cost, it can take images and videos underwater and on the ground. Besides, the company who created the product offer a lot of gadgets and accessories when you intend to buy it, for an additional cost obviously. To name some of the features of the powered Dolphin, in my opinion the most important is its controller. You can control the drone from your phone and take it up to 100 meters away from it. An interesting option this company offers is the ability to acquire different models of the drone depending on the task you will do with it. For example, if you are a fisherman, PowerVision offers you a specialized drone for that specific task. It is highly portable. It weighs 2.3 kilograms and its dimensions are 530 by 230 by 130 millimeters. The maximum speed underwater of this drone is 10 kilometers an hour, the highest speed of the drones mentioned in this list. You can enjoy all these amazing features for 2.5 hours without having to charge it. And all these characteristics make this drone the best of this video. Its cost on Amazon is $999, and believe me, it's completely worth it. 1. Gladius Mini. Stability and efficiency in one drone is really hard to find, but in this case, the company who created this drone managed to create a stable and efficient ROV, or underwater drone as you want to name it. One particular characteristic of this drone is that it is the tiniest in the market. It's kind of a version of a Mavic Pro Mini, but this one can be driven underwater. This vehicle can be used in any water possibility, from open sea to small rivers. It has a 12 megapixel camera, a front sensor, and it can achieve a speed of 4.6 miles per hour while underwater. The drone can take pictures and also record videos in 4K at 30 FPS. You can add to this drone some LED lights on the side so it can be recognizable when submerged. At the same time, you can stream what is happening undersea and use VR goggles. In my opinion, this is the best ROV on this list, and that's why it costs $1,199 on Amazon. But if you use it frequently, it's definitely worth it. That's a wrap for the top 5 best underwater drones in 2022. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss any technology videos like this one. If you love this video, I highly recommend you watch this video here on the top left about the 10 coolest mini gadgets you can actually buy. Well, see you in the next one. Take care.